Okay, Assalamualaikum. So this video I will discuss the exercise 6.2.1. So I choose number 1 here. Okay, I choose number 1 here. Okay, so this is for independent task. Okay, the contingency table for independent task. So a student is interested to test whether there is a relationship between gender and cost at their university. So this is a keyword for the independent task. She randomly sampled some men and women on the campus and asked them if their course was part of natural sciences, social sciences or engineering. Her result can be shown as follow. So here woman and men, so the row is a gender lah, okay, and then we have the course here. So the column variable is a course, type of course. Okay, so can we conclude that these two variables are related to each other by using 5% significant level? So we have two variables here. If the question asks you about the variable, then you can write either gender or the type of course, but we don't discuss which one is a independent or dependent. Okay, so but it is more to the independent lah. Okay, so the data that you collected here is a combination of these two, means that depends on these two. Okay, but we don't stress on the independent and dependent. Okay, if the question asks you about the variable, then you can write either one, gender or type of course. So can we conclude that these two variables are related to each other by using 5% significant level? Okay, sorry for the sound of the background. Okay, so the keyword here, related. Okay, related means that we are dealing with the independent task. Okay, so as what we have discussed in the previous video, okay, we have a few keywords to show that we are dealing with the independent. You have related, you have what? Independent. Okay, sometimes some question use dependent, some question use like affected, also similar. Okay, they are independent tests. But and then you have another keyword here, which is a relationship lah. Okay. Okay, so we go to the step 1. We know that it is a contingency table and it is an independent task. Okay, so we go to the chi-square test lah for the contingency table. We use a statistical method from the contingency table. Okay, step 1, hypothesis H0. So H0, it will be always, okay, gender and type of course is not related to each other. Okay, so H0 always be independent. That's why we have not related. Okay, H1, gender and type of course is related to each other. So H1 always be dependent. That's why we use related. Okay, as I said, to be easy, you just follow what keyword that you have in your question. So since we have related, then you use related in your you use word related in your hypothesis. If they use independent and dependent, then use that for your hypothesis. Okay, step 2, we are going to calculate for the chi-square. Before the chi-square, we need to know the E. So Eij, it is Ni dot times N dot J divided by N double dot. So we have to calculate the summation value. Okay, so what you have here, O11. So this is I equal to 1, I equal to 2. Okay, first row, second row. J equal to 1, first column. J equal to 2, second column. J equal to 3, third column. So you have here O11, O12, 013, 021, 022, 023. Okay, so here should be ni dot. So n dot, n1 dot, it is 10, so 10 plus 14 plus 10. 10 plus 14 plus 10, so you have 34. Okay, n2 dot 11 plus 8 plus 4, so 23. Okay, and then you have n dot j here. So the first column, n dot 1, 11, 10 plus 11, 21. N dot 2, 14 plus 8, 22. Okay, and then we have n dot 3 here, the third column, 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, and then the summation here, it is where to write. Okay, I'll just write here, n dot dot. Okay, n dot dot is a summation of ni dot, or summation of n dot j, or summation of the o, similar. Okay, so we have 57. Okay, so we use that for the e. Okay, so as I said, it is suggested to draw a column for the contingency table, so that it is easy for us as a lecturer to check your answer and to mark your answer lah in final letter. So OIJ, EIJ, and then here is for your chi-square, OIJ minus EIJ square divided by EIJ. So the first one, 011, 10. Okay, so E11, it is we substitute here, n1 dot times n dot 1 divided by n double dot. So 34 times 21 divided by 57. So you have 12.5283, and don't forget to use 4 decimal places. Okay, so 012, so means that for the E12, it is n1 dot times n dot 2 divided by n double dot. Okay, so 34 times 22 divided by 57. So you will get 13.1228. Okay, and then E13. So E13. So E13, the position is here, so means that 34 times 14 divided by 57. So you will get 8.3509. Okay, so you can calculate lah to check. Okay, 021, 11. Okay, so we need the E21. So E21, the position is here, so means that 23 here times with the 21 divided by 57. Okay, so you will get 8.4737. Okay, 0228. So we need the E22. So E22 position is here, means that 23 times 22 divided by 57. So you will get 8.8772. And then the last one, O23, 4, so we need E23. Okay. So, E23, the position is here. Okay, so means that 23 times 14, okay, divide by 57. So you will get 5.6491. Okay, I hope that you get it. Okay, what I just say just now. Okay, so for the last column here, use this formula. Okay, I will wrote one by one. Okay, you can calculate later. Here I just follow the answer scheme. Seven, 5, 2. Okay, so the summation of this column. The summation of this column, you will get your chi-square test. So 2.2151. And again, there is no assumption for the E. Your E can be less than 5. Okay. So step 3, critical value. It is a right-hand task. Okay, so in this case, alpha 0.05. Degree of freedom R minus 1, C minus 1, so R equal to 2, minus 1, 1, C equal to 3, minus 1 is 2, so you will get 1, 2, so 2 lah. Okay, so find your statistical table, you will have 5.9915. Okay, step 4, decision. So as I said, you can plot your chi-square, then it will be easy to, it will be clear for your decision. So 2.2151, which is smaller than critical value, so somewhere here. So means that in acceptance region, so do not reject hash null. So chi-square test less than critical value, then do not reject hash null. Okay, I will write here the conclusion. Step 5, conclusion. Okay, so conclusion, you just write which statement that you support. So here is a do not reject hash null, means that we do accept or we do support the hash null. So just write the statement of hash null. So at alpha 0.05, gender and type of course is not related to each other. Okay, I think that's it for the 6.2.1. Okay, so after this we will discuss 6.2.2. Thank you.